Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Bosch EasyAquatak. First, connect your garden hose to the water inlet on the pressure washer. This connection should be firm and secure. Next, take the high-pressure hose and attach one end to the machine's high-pressure outlet. Listen for a click or ensure it's fully screwed in, depending on your model. Double-check all these initial connections to prevent any leaks and ensure a smooth start to your cleaning tasks. Now, let's assemble the spray gun. Take the remaining end of the high-pressure hose and connect it to the base of your spray gun. It should click firmly into position. Then, choose your preferred lance or nozzle extension and attach it to the front of the spray gun. Many models feature a simple push and twist mechanism. Make sure it's fully engaged and locked, as a loose connection can affect performance and safety during operation. With the hoses connected, it's time to power up and prime the system. Plug the power cable into a grounded outdoor electrical outlet. Next, turn on your water tap completely to ensure a full water supply to the pressure washer. Before switching on the machine, press the trigger on the spray gun for about 15 to 20 seconds. This allows water to flow through and purge any air from the pump and hoses, which is crucial for proper operation. You're almost ready to clean. Now, turn the main power switch on your Bosch EasyAquatak to the on position. You'll hear the motor engage. Before spraying, remember to release the safety lock on the spray gun handle. This is typically a small button or lever. Once unlocked, simply press the trigger to start the high-pressure water flow. You can now begin tackling your cleaning tasks with ease and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.